Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is part 3 of the Purge series. I will link these other 2 videos down below if you want to catch up, but basically overall what we're doing, we're down to the less than a month at this point till school starts. And in the first video I had mentioned how we move pretty frequently, and I'm able to kind of like purge things as we're packing and moving. And since this is our first summer in one space since 2020, and we are just basically going through all the areas in my house and we're purging and we're getting rid of stuff. Some things just need to be trashed. A lot of stuff just needs to be donated, but there's actually no space for a lot of stuff that we have in here. And I've been putting some things out in our garage, some of the pots in the garage, just because there's no space in this kitchen. It is pretty small, and so it looks like there's a pretty good bit of space here, but it's actually really small and there's just not space for everything that we have, which to me, it probably says that I need to purge and get rid of some things and donate/sell some things. But I've rambled enough, so let's get going. So I also thought that it would be kind of important for me to go through and kind of tell you how our setup is right now. Like right now, we do not have a full set of matching plates and bowls, so they're all mismatched. That's like stuff that I don't really hardly get into. Like all of this is seasonings and medication and like vitamins and stuff. Over here we have this huge pantry, and yes, you would think that it is wonderful to have a huge pantry, but it's so deep you can't reach, like you have to put your whole arm back there to like get anything. So I can't organize to its fullest potential just because it is so deep. And so I feel like it's like useless space in a way, but like I have to get the step stool to get way up to the top. You see this? Like I am almost on my tippy toes to get this sugar or flour. And then there's stuff way back there. But my whole point in telling you this about the pantry is it's pretty much what it is for now until we reconfigure the kitchen. That is one thing that's on my list. I don't know for sure if we're going to do that. It's something that I definitely want to do. Here we have cooking, glassware, plastic stuff. It's all having to be stacked up. Here's are the pots and pans and skillets and those things. So most things are organized like for as good as it can be. This is like extra drinks and water for in case of emergencies because we do live in Florida. This is wine. I think I need to get rid of this. Our neighbor gave that to us. I don't know if you saw my refrigerator clean out months ago. We are not wine people, and he gave us that like on New Year's. We've got a lid drawer. My kids didn't clean up their mess. Lid drawers, cups, plasticware and cups. So, like I said, for the most part, there is some type of organization, like things have specific places where they go, but it just kind of needs to be organized a little better, I think. See, like everything is just kind of crammed in there. I got this for organization, and it does help, don't get me wrong, but it doesn't fit correctly in the drawer. I am going to keep this, but it just, like, what is all this stuff? Like, it's like, this is not even supposed to be the junk drawer. This is supposed to be the designated junk drawer. But we just, ever since we moved in, that's where it went. And then we just kind of put things there randomly. And then of course we have stuff up on top of the refrigerator. So this is not a cleaning video. My kitchen is clean. I do have my dishwasher ready to go. I didn't start it because I knew you'd be able to hear it in the video. So yeah, that is the overview. And that's what we're going to be going through today. And yeah, I guess that's it. Let me stop rambling, and I need to start clearing out all of these cabinets. speaking through this whole video just because I've just been like, go, go, go. But this is a ridiculous amount of tumbler lids slash thermos lids that do not have a cup to go with it. Like this, oh, this goes to a thermos that is in the dishwasher. This is a bit ridiculous. Like all of these cups have just completely disappeared. All the cups up there have lids. If it's supposed to have a lid, it has a lid. But then this is what we're down to, and I have no more cups. So, I don't know what to do with them. Do I just put them back in the drawer or like throw them away? But what if one of the cups turns up and then I've already thrown the lid away? So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold on to these for a very short time and see if I can get a lid. And then if not, or a cup, and then I'm just going to toss them because I don't know. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 lids with no cups. Which if I had to throw the lids away, it wouldn't be that big of a deal because we really don't have space for them. But that's a little insane to me. Steven, look. There are no cups for these.